Hello, welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. Today, I'd like to introduce WALLBOARD R-90. When we use this blade, please put blade over on the material. That helps us do opening work without any prepared holes. Next, thanks to the blade on the back, we can cut the corner very well. When you cut the corner, please make the power tool erect. This is suitable to do pocket cut. Please look at smooth opening work and check if the cut is angular with this blade. If you put the blade over on the material so hard, the trace is left there. Alright, I tried using the blade. It was smooth to cut the board with this blade. The blade on the back can cut it at 90 degrees. So, I'd like you to use WALLBOARD R-90. Alright, this is the end of the video today. Please subscribe to our channel and like. Thank you for watching.